Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about Git Hooks. Don't worry, if you're not sure what they are yet, we are going to break it down in simplest way possible. And yes, if you can, make sure to stick around for the entire video. So we will start with what is Git Hook. Think of Git Hooks like a friendly reminder, popping up before or after certain Git actions. Let's consider a small example. Just think about being a bachelor, needing to cook for yourself, and imagine having a friend who reminds you to wash your hands before you start preparing food, and then double check the recipe when you are done. A Git Hook is like that reminder friend for your computer when you are working on code. It reminds your computer to do certain checks before or after you save your changes. Don't be confused at this moment. In practical demo, all your doubts will be clear. So next, does it has types in it, or what are its types? Yes, it is classified as two types, client-side hooks and server-side hooks. In client-side, you get to see these type of hooks, and in server-side, you get to see this. What are benefits of using Git Hooks? Detecting issues early is a major upside. They catch potential problems right in their tracks, saving you from committing messy code. And also, it saves your time by handling the tasks, so you don't need to do them. To start off, go ahead and open Git Bash. To move forward, you will need to know where your .git folder is located. This folder is hidden, and in our case, it's on desktop. To find it, go to the View option and select Hidden option. Inside the .git folder, there is another folder named Hooks. So next, let's locate this folder in Bash terminal. So now you are inside the .git folder. To see what's in there, simply use the ls command. You will notice the same content which we saw before. Now let's go inside this hook folder using same command. Now let's discover what's inside this hook folder by using ls command. So here you will find various scripts that are referred as hooks. These are the hooks that I am talking about. They can be used to automate tasks such as validating commit message, running tests before a commit, and much more. So for now, let's open this commit message file and take a look at its content. This is just an example file, or you can call it as templates that demonstrate how your custom file should appear. And now let's go ahead and create a new file named commit message. And simply press enter, and then use the combination escape+I to insert the code into the file. Next, you can paste the code that I have prepared for this purpose. This code essentially looks for the word Abniks in your commit message. If it's not there, the commit won't go through. This is just a basic example, but you can set up more rules for your commits, especially within an organization. Alright. Let's exit this file by using sequence escape:WQ on your keyboard. This file won't function until you make it executable. To do this, let's make it executable by using the command changemod+x and followed by the file name, which in our case is commit message. Now by this, we have made our file executable. So let's get back to desktop. Alright, now let's make a new directory named hook test. And it's time to create a new file named testing within it. Again, tap escape+I to start typing. Let's type some content in it. Afterwards, hit escape followed by colon and then WQ to save and exit. We will add this folder to staging area. And now we will attempt to commit this initially without including the word Abniks in the commit message. As you can observe, we haven't included the term Abniks in this commit message. If we attempt to commit this, it should trigger an error. You can see the error message indicating that commit message must contain the word Abniks. Let's verify this by inserting the term Abniks into the commit message. Consequently, this commit will be approved since the message contains the word Abniks. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.